Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, sangat berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari idola kita semua, The Beautiful Song Putri Ariani. Nah, ya intinya kita doakan guys terbaik. Intinya ya, kita doakan yang terbaik buat Putri Ariani di 5 September di beberapa hari ini. Putri Ariani mengikuti semifinal di Agate. Intinya kita support guys, kita doakan juga. Ya, dan kali ini ada reaktor dari luar negeri. Ya, saya sangat kaget dan shock juga melihat penampilan Putri Ariani yang memukau. Ya, kita tahu banyak penyanyi dari internasional kemarin mengajak Putri Ariani kolaborasi bareng di panggung megah guys. Dan banyak reaktor dari luar negeri ini nggak nyangka guys dengan suara emas yang dimiliki oleh Putri Ariani. Nah, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
If you guys want to see more reactions to Putri, feel free to comment down below what video I need to react to. Also, feel free to check out my playlist, which I might leave in the description if I can remember. Matter of fact, I will. That's just being lazy. I'll leave it in the description. But today, we're going to react to Putri, I Will Always Love You, which I believe is a Whitney Houston cover. And I know she's taking over the world. But I want you guys to remind me when she's actually performing, because I can't remember. I think it's September, right? Or is it October? Let me know when she's performing on America's Got Talent. Let me know down below. Enough said, let's get into this.
Yes.
I haven't listened to
Jangan
her
lupa
in
ingatkan
like
guys, ya guys.
even longer than that. Okay.
I would only be in your way. So I go, but I know
Wow.
I'm thinking of you every step of
This is crazy.
the way.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
And
Beautiful.
Beautiful song.
Yo, a few things straight off the bat. I love the way she just went sing and everyone started singing like she knew everyone was going to sing. But I do have a question. What is this for? Is this her private show? Is this TV show? Is this like, what is this? Is this her concert? Where's the location? Is it practice before she does America's Got Talent? Does anyone know any information about what I'm witnessing right now? If I had to guess, I would say it's her own show, but I could be wrong because I don't really follow her that close. I just react to her videos. So let me know down below, what is this? Is it a concert? Is she just an opening act for a next artist? Let me know down below. Oh yeah, I like her outfit. I like her outfit. Let me know what it's called. I want to say a hijab, but I got a feeling I've got a feeling I'm wrong. But yeah, let's get into this. I can't even, I've got to pause it, but the guitar is just so sexy, the guitar.
Wow, jangan menikmati guys. Wow.
Wow. Yo, I've never heard this song performed with that type of guitar. I feel like I said that word, guitar, in the background. I love that. I love it. It's just a nice little touch to it. I was gonna say, I'm guessing this might be in Indonesia, and I wonder when it comes to America's Got Talent, what song is she going to perform? Will it be this song? What do you guys think? What is the best cover you've heard from her, and what do you feel like she is going to perform when that time comes, America's Got Talent? Let me know down below. Let me know. That's a great question. What is she going to perform? It's going to be a cover of a song, but what song is her best song? What she just kills. Like, she just... it has to be perfect. It's America's Got Talent. I'm so curious what she's going to pick. Oh. Oh, beautiful.
Wow,
It's beautiful, man.
beautiful songs.
Smashed it. She done everything that I would expect her to do, and I feel like she's using this time to practice and work on her craft of singing before she goes on America's Got Talent. So yeah, I just can't wait to see her performance, and I feel like if the whole of Indonesia alone just vote for her, she's gonna win. She's gonna win. I don't know what you win when you win America's Got Talent. I think it's like a record deal or contract. But someone says she's already got a record deal. So what is the point of going on America's Got Talent to win a record deal? So it must be money that you win from America's Got Talent. I don't know. I've got the internet. I'll just Google it. If you guys enjoyed the reaction, make sure you sub and like and comment down below what you guys want to see next. It's myself, Low Life Curtis, and peace out.
Wow, keren sekali guys, memang guys penampilan dari Putri Ariani keren sekali. Ya, membuat reaktor ini sangat-sangat, ya tadi sangat-sangat lucu sekali guys. Reaktor ini saat terkejut tadi melihat Putri Ariani menggunakan teknik nada yang sangat-sangat keren sekali tadi guys. Dan memang kita akui teknik vokal yang dimiliki oleh Putri Ariani itu nggak gampang didapat. Ya kita tahu Putri Ariani sejak kecil sudah berlatih teknik vokal guys. Dan ya kita juga sudah melihat jelas bahwa Putri Ariani dari dulu memang suka ikut audisi guys. Gagal coba lagi, gagal coba lagi, dan sampai saat ini menjadi sosok yang sangat-sangat fenomenal. Ya intinya kita dukung, kita doakan bareng-bareng guys. Intinya doakan yang terbaik buat nanti Putri Ariani di semifinal. Intinya ya kita support, kita dukung Putri Ariani agar menjadi juaranya guys. Oke, jangan kita harus kawal terus intinya, dan ya sudah nggak sabar aslinya guys. Saya nggak sabar ingin melihat Putri Ariani tampil nyanyi lagu apa ya guys. Saya penasaran itu aja. Dan ya Kalau kalian punya tanggapan lain, tulis saja di kolom komentar. Kita juga bisa berdiskusi di situ. Dan sekian video kali ini. Dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.